Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are comparing Wealthsimple versus EQ Bank to see which one is better depending on your financial goals. So let's get started. First off, we have Wealthsimple. This is primarily an investment platform offering robo-advisory services, stock trading, and savings accounts. It's known for its user-friendly interface and automated portfolio management, making it ideal for new investors who want to manage their investments easily. The downside, its savings interest rates may not be as high as what some digital banks offer. On the other hand, EQ Bank, this is a digital bank focused on high interest savings accounts and simple banking products, including a no fee checking account. It's perfect for those who want a straightforward banking experience with higher savings interest. But it doesn't offer investment options, which may be a limitation if you want to grow your money through stocks or robo advisors. Side by side, Wealthsimple best for investing and portfolio management with automation, EQ Bank best for high interest savings and simple banking without investment features. So choose Wealthsimple if your priority is investing and building wealth. And you want to go with EQ Bank if your priority is earning interest and having easy to use banking. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.